Hello children, it's pleasant to see you all. I hope you all are fit and fine by staying at home and following the necessary precautions. In the previous class, already you have learnt about why do we need food and components of food. Right children, let me recall you. Why do we need food? We need food to grow, to get energy, to live, to play and to work. What are nutrients? The components in food that are essential for growth, health and fitness are called nutrients. Into how many groups the nutrients are classified, children? Nutrients are classified into 5 groups. They are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Every nutrient plays an important role in our body. So, some helps us to grow, some helps us to fight with diseases, some helps us to do work. Look at this picture, children. What can you see in the picture? Yes, you can see many food items in the picture like bread, pasta, green leafy vegetables, fish, milk and milk products. Right children? Do all of them have only one nutrient? No. Different food items have different nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Look at this picture, children. What can you see in the picture? Yes, you can see right from childhood to old age. Right children? Do all of them need same amount of nutrients? No. Different people need different amount of nutrients based on their age, health and the physical activities they do. So, in today's class, let us know more detail about carbohydrates and proteins. Right children, are you all ready? Look at this picture. What is this? Yes, this is a car. How does a car run? Yes, you are exactly right. A car runs with the help of petrol. Petrol produces the energy to run a car. Similarly, the food we eat gives us energy to do work. Our basic food items like rice, bread, chapatis, oranges, bananas and potatoes have plenty of carbohydrates. Even milk has some carbohydrates. So, these all food items which gives us energy are called energy giving foods. So, carbohydrates are also called as energy giving foods. What are carbohydrates called, children? Yes, they are called energy giving foods. Do you all like to play, children, like this? Yes. When you play, do you lose your energy? Yes. After losing the energy, what nutrient you need to take more, children? Yes, you are right. You are following the lesson, right children? You need to take more carbohydrate food that gives us energy. Who need more carbohydrates, children? A farmer or an office worker? Yes, you are right. A farmer needs more carbohydrates. Why, children? Because he do more physical work comparing to the office worker. The people like farmers, sports persons and laborers need more carbohydrate rich food because they do more physical activities.
आज मैंने बेल बॉटम पहना रही। मैं तुझे टाइम प्लीज। ग्लूकॉन-डी शक्ति लौटाए 50% ज्यादा तेजी से। ग्लूकॉन-डी।
Yes, did you all enjoy by watching the advertisement, children? Yes, I hope you all have enjoyed by watching the advertisement. What did you observe in the advertisement, children? Yes, it is Glucon-D advertisement. What did you observe in it? In the starting, both the people's energies were high. As they started fighting, their energy levels came down. Why, children? Why did their energy levels came down? Yes, because they lost their energy. Right, children? So, if we want instant energy, we need to take more carbohydrate rich food which are present in Glucon-D. Look at this picture, children. Who is he? He is an athlete. What is meant by athlete, children? The person who runs is called athlete. Right, children? Why do he need more carbohydrates? Yes. He need more carbohydrates because he loses his energy very quickly by running. Right, children? Carbohydrates are quick energy giving nutrients. So, the sports persons take more quick energy giving drinks that are present in carbohydrates. There are two types of carbohydrates. One is starch and the second one is sugars. Starch present in bananas, potatoes, pasta, cereals like wheat, rice, bread, soya beans and pulses. Right, children? So, this starch content food is important to our body because they are rich in carbohydrates. Look at this, children. Food with carbohydrates that are as sugars. Honey, milk, pineapple, bananas and grapes has carbohydrate rich food that has sugars. Look at this, children. Who is he? He is Prabhas. In which movie it is, children? It is Bahubali, right? Look at this image, children. He is Prabhas. Look at this. He is also Prabhas. Observe both the pictures, children. What can you see? In the first image, he is slim. In the second image, he has six-pack. Right, children? How do we get six-pack? Yes, we need to take more protein-rich food than our body builds with the muscles. Proteins are called as bodybuilding foods. Proteins are the nutrients that are essential for growth, repairing our body and the maintenance of the body. Right, children? They also helps us to build the muscles in our body. So, they are called as bodybuilding foods. Here are some protein-rich food like eggs, fish, meat, pulses and eggs. Right, children? These all protein-rich food are essential for the growth, repair and the maintenance of body and they build our muscles. So, when we fall sick or when we get any injury, we need to take more protein-rich food because they make us strong. Look at this picture, children. You can see a person who is building his body. So, which nutrient is important to build the body, children? We need more protein-rich food to build our body. Yes, in this picture we can observe right from childhood to young age. Young children need more protein-rich food comparing to the adults or old people because they are still growing. So, did you understand the concept, children? What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are called energy-giving foods. Right, children? So, what are proteins, children? Proteins are called as bodybuilding foods. I hope you all have understood the concept. If you didn't understand the concept, replay the video once or twice and watch the video. Right, children? In our school app, we have uploaded worksheet 2. Complete the worksheet by watching the video. Right, children? See you in the next class, children. Stay home, stay safe.